for me to come to Portugal. I like your country, I know very well since a long time now, and I am happy to participate in your conference. CIMA is an affiliate that is a place in the Industrial European Trade Union. Industrial represent 220 unions, 7 million members, yes, 7 million members, and the 37 countries. We had a congress in June of this year to Madrid. We discussed about the future and our industry. We want a true employment policy. Trade union solidarity is essential, giving a chance to our young people to find employment. Collective bargaining for the quality jobs and the social dumping. The energy policy is as important for industrial policy. It conditions the future on our sectors: electricity, extractive industries, gas and oil. In December 2015, we had the great conference of COP21 on the climate change. Industrial European Trade Union to participate in this conference. It was necessary to find an international agreement to safeguard the future of our children. But we must find the balance between the climate change and the future of our industries. In our orientation, we do also focus on the issue of the European policy and national concerning the support CMEs at enterprises. Do not forget that CMEs are an important part of our industries, but also in regard to the job today and tomorrow. The objective on the European Commission of the re-industrialize and develop our industry from 16 and 20% of the GDP will not happen without a strong policy for our SMEs. Innovations, as well as the digitalization, transforms our industry in the all sectors, which can give prospect at enterprises, but also asks the question on the future on our jobs. This arises a question about the future of the SMEs and now to manage change and the just transition with a founding policy of the European Union for to give a future to our small business, but also to our workers. To give every chance to the workers in the industrial revolutions, or the digitalization will be more and more present. It's necessary to develop the skills of the workers in their interest, but also on the companies. That is why it is essential to develop a training policy for the sustainable and the quality job with the substantial support for the SMEs and employers of the SMEs also, of course. The right of the workers is one of the major challenges for our European Federation, and the priority is information consultations and the participation of the representatives of the employees in the company. We can see the difficulties of the information and the consultation in the SMEs, and yet there are a directive 2014. Following the case Vilvoorde-Renault in the past, which determines the obligation of the information and the consultation in all companies national level, including SMEs. And then we have the European social dialogue, both cross-sector and the sector. Since Jacques Delors, social dialogue is become important at European level. The social partners have developed with employers and employers, it's a very important, a true dialogue and sector committees. Now, number 43, the well actor European level. For industrial, the European sectoral social dialogue is an important tool for the social partners. We have 11 industrial, 11 European sectoral social dialogue committees. In each sector, we try to produce joint positions. We develop European projects. We try to work with the European Commission, which is not always easy, clearly, due to the reduction of the resources giving of the social partners, which are decreasing over time, number of the meeting, interpretation, etc., etc. Here are some examples and actions made by the social partners. The first. In the electricity sector, we develop our work on the integration of the young people, develop a bridge between the education and the professional world. The issue of the skill is central to our work, and we have to start work on the future SMIs. Second is a sector dialogue chemistry, and more particularly, and the rich dossier and the registration of the chemical. We are reporting on the difficulties of the SMIs concerning the cost and the worker, and ask the Commission European to make resources and the financial support to assist SMIs. In the textile sector, we want to develop the work in the SMIs. This is a sector which represents mainly SMIs, both on employment, training, skills, while to develop innovations, impact of the regulation, European, etc. In the fiscal context, we need a strong trade union at national level and of the industrial Europe to organize all trade unions, but also to all our affiliates and as well as the CIMA. Of course, you organize already, participate since a long time now, the debate and the actions. In conclusion, nothing can be done without the participation of the affiliates. CIMA, your organization, participate as actor in your debate. The national trade union is essential element of the policy for industrial European trade union. We need a strong and united union at all levels and the interest of the workers we represent. Thank you again for your invitation, dear José Antonio, and the delegate present here, and which a good conference. Thank you very much again.